In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text on Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want the gradient text to appear, whether that's a thumbnail, social post, presentation, or any other graphic. Starting from the correct project will help you apply the effect directly to the text you're working with. Next, select the text box that you want to turn into gradient text. This is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which text element you want to edit. If you have multiple text boxes on your canvas, take a second to click the right one before moving on. Once your text box is selected, go over to the left panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where Adobe Express gives you access to different styling options that can change the look of your text. If you don't see the expected options right away, double check that the text box is still selected, since the panel can change depending on what item is active. Inside the Effects section, look for the area called Generate Text Effects. In that section, click the tile with the pencil icon. This opens the tool that lets you create a text style by describing the effect you want in words, which makes it a very quick way to test creative looks without manually building them. You'll now see a text field where you can describe the style you want to generate. Type in gradient text, then click Generate at the bottom of the left panel. Keep your wording simple here, since the goal is to create a clean gradient style effect for your selected text. After that, wait for the gradient text effects to appear. This can take a little time, so give Adobe Express a moment to process your request. Once it finishes, you'll see several gradient text effect options. Browse through them and select the one you like best. If none of the first results feel quite right, click Generate More to see additional versions. That's a useful way to explore different color blends and styles until you find one that fits your design. And that's it. Once you choose the gradient effect you like, your text will be updated with the new style. From there, you can continue editing the rest of your project and make sure the final look matches your overall design.